me. Flat, calm, crystal clear out. Just a beautiful morning to be out. Very happy that I woke up early this morning and was able to get out here. So, last couple times I've been out here, I've been able to knock down 5 fish. Not the biggest fish, but nonetheless able to get 5. Last time out, I was able to get a decent one, about a 3-pounder, just about 18 inches. So, right now I'm heading out to try to upgrade 4 more at least, or 3, or whatever I can get really. But at the end of the day, just bringing you guys along and catch some fish and have some good times. So just kind of motoring across the lake right now. Another probably 5 minutes, I'll be to the spot and we'll be fishing. So there you have it, a couple hours before work, not a whole lot of time to really pick it apart. I ended up actually getting 3 fish. The other 2 fish weren't that big, weren't on camera, but I was lucky to be able to get that 18-incher on camera for you guys. That did actually call me up a couple inches. I do believe I finished off the week in 10th place, but I'm sure as the month rolls on, I'm gonna get knocked down pretty quick, as there's some big sticks out there, and you know, it's that time of year. So that's how it goes. Again, thank you for watching. If you made it this far, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Always, the whole point of this channel is to get you inspired to get out there and go fishing. We'll see you next week.